Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech Channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today, because there was a lot of fanfare with our last green machine unboxing, we decided to come back with the little green unboxing. This one was only slightly cheaper, but it's got a more rounded shape and it's supposed to be a little bit smaller, which makes sense since it's little green. And it says right there that it's Canada's #1 brand, so it must be pretty good. And I like that right there it says every purchase saves pets. That's nice. And it comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and it comes with a bottle of the Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula. It says right on the front that it comes with this tough stain tool and then an 8-ounce bottle. Yeah, so the big one came with a few attachments. I think it came with 2 or 3, and this one only has 1, which is okay. This might work well if you want to travel light, maybe. I know I have a bunch of kids and they make messes everywhere, and this is nice to have on hand. You can see right here some more information. They go right over how every purchase saves pets. You can see there more information if you'd like. And this is a little bit more information about the little green machine. I like down here, you can probably barely see it, but it's got a sustainability mark on it. So you can recycle the packaging, and carton is made from minimum of 50% recycled corrugate, however you say that word. So I really like that companies anymore do things like that, so I can be a little bit green without even trying, and that's really the best way to be. And this is more of the same information that's all over the box. Like, I think it's right on the front. I think it might even be, yeah, that. The top of the box has this information, which is really just letting you know that you need to pre-treat and choose the right formula before you use the green machine here. Not that anybody cares about what's on the bottom, but I think that's kind of funny. Display this side down, as if you needed to know this was not the top. I didn't know Bissell was from the Netherlands. I think that's pretty neat. I totally thought it was a US brand. So enough talking about it. We're gonna open it. Here we go. Has even more information printed on the inside. You can see here, it says to not return your product to the store, and even gives you carton contents. Then you can see here at the top, it talks about how every purchase saves pets and to leave a positive review. It even gives you the model number just to help you out. So one of the first things I notice is it gives you a really small bottle, the Oxy Pro Spot and Stain Cleaner. They do sell these in much larger bottles, but this is a very good way to get started so you know if it's any good. And actually, it really is. And no, we're not sponsored by Bissell. Not yet. Shout out Bissell. All right, so this would be some of the components that attach to the side to hold the hose in place. And we're about to pull out the whole machine here. As you guys can see, that's everything. All right, so I'm just gonna remove this from its protective wrapping. All right, I gotta be honest, now that it's out, it does not look all that much smaller. In fact, I actually think these compartments might be bigger. I know they're shaped differently, it's a bit more rounded, it's certainly not any lighter, but it looks pretty much the same. And I think the button was on the side on the other model. I mean, it definitely has less attachments. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this cord because it's dangling everywhere. Okay, so it's on here. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. It almost feels like they didn't make these hooks long enough. The regular green machine, it fit a lot better. Certainly no reason not to buy it. Actually, I think it's kind of cute. And no, I don't say that word super often. Well, you know, it's got the rounded edges and it's green. Green machine. It's green for saving the environment. It's just entendres everywhere. All right, and then this tape removes. I see screws. There's screws on this. I certainly don't remember assembling anything. but there's definitely a screw hole in there. So it doesn't go there. This little plastic gray clip does. It slides in right here, clicks, and then we can start wrapping this hose like that, because honestly, this hose is also dangling everywhere. Okay, so this is what I remember from the other green machine is the green attachment went here. Oh yeah, there's the screw hole right there. Yeah, I remember this wrapping around the bottom of the unit and attaching here. It's a good thing I use this to open my boxes sometimes, the Allen wrench with the screwdriver in the bottom, because I didn't think I'd need one to unbox this appliance. But let's go ahead and attach it. So there is a little slot here, which fits this bottom fin right here. Just so you know which way it goes. So I had to bring out a real screwdriver because I don't know why, but halfway through that screw would not go in. Normally that's a sign to not continue or you have the wrong screw, but there's only one screw, so I brought out a real screwdriver to finish the job. Okay, so using a real screwdriver, it went in. It was a little tough, but it went in with no resistance. It was just tough. If you know what I mean by the difference, it's not like there was something in the way, it just wouldn't turn. It was almost as if the hole was too small. To finish wrapping it around, you're gonna lift this little lever here, or lever, however you want to say it. Slide it in like this, and then close the lever. And then you can see it sits there. And then we'll put the brush head on here. So there's a little cylinder here. It lines up with this nozzle here. Slide it in, and you heard the click. That is the fully assembled little green, and this is the whole unit picked up. It's really not that bad. It is a little heavy. If you happen to be looking for something that's slightly more portable, this might be it. And I'm really not sure how I feel about calling it more portable, but it's definitely got a few less accessories. So this will probably work the same way, and certainly cover the same amount of space with the same size tanks. And especially if you only use the main attachment. So it might be worth it to save yourself a few bucks and get the little green. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our little green machine by Bissell. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.